Plastic taxes and customer preferences are driving manufacturers to use less plastic and also make their packaging more recyclable. This has led to a rise in the use of monoplastics and also flexible laminated films of PE, PP and BOPP. These are often used in printed flow wrap films and pouches for dry, fresh and household products. All these materials create challenges in adhesion for traceability marking. Many existing inks struggle to adhere to these lower surface energy plastics. Traceability codes will often smudge during manufacture or rub off in transit. This leads to rejects, fines and rework. We have seen a strong need from our global customers for an ink that can adhere well to these flexible, hard-to-mark plastics. We've analysed a range of samples from India, Poland, China, France, Australia, UK and the Philippines to ensure we have created a solution for the global market.
Our team of experienced scientists have been dedicated to addressing this customer requirement, to formulate a new ink capable of reliably coding onto these low surface energy plastic films. Our goal was to create a strong plastic adherent ink that was quick drying and PFAS and CMR free. To ensure we could meet different global requirements, we have created an MEK-based ink and an MEK-free option. During development, we looked at both existing effective formulations as well as researching new raw materials that could be used to improve adhesion. Over 100 formulations were designed and tested until the optimal combination of ink parameters, adhesion and printer reliability were achieved, therefore giving the right solution for our customers. The trials we conducted included sample marking on a range of global packaging types, and then the codes were subjected to rub, scratch and tape tests to measure the ink's adhesion to simulate real-life situations that our codes experience. We at Lynx are proud to launch the new black, strong plastic film inks 1015 and 3415. These inks perform with improved adhesion on plastic films compared to other plastic adherent inks to help solve the coding challenges of our customers worldwide.